friends, welcome back to Just a Little Kick, where I teach you how to make easy homemade recipes for you and your family. Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I have the perfect Valentine's Day dessert for you. I'm making red velvet cupcakes with a cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. Here I have 2 teaspoons of sifted cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Over here, cup of sugar, 1 cup of just regular all-purpose flour, tablespoon of vanilla extract, you're gonna need half a teaspoon of the red food gel, and then in here 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, and this is the vegetable oil. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Over here you need 2/3 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So I have 2 bowls here. One is gonna be, I'm gonna use for dry ingredients. This is for the wet ingredients. And we're gonna put the butter, vegetable oil, egg, vanilla extract in here first. When it's time to make our frosting, I will let you know the exact measurements you need, but you need some butter, vanilla, cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and then my secret ingredient, a little bit of coffee creamer. All right, so first we're going to get started with, we're going to combine the vegetable oil, the vanilla extract, the butter, and the egg. We're going to beat it until it's nice and smooth. Then we'll add the sugar, beat it again, and then you'll, scrape the bowl down. After that, you'll add the sour cream, the vinegar, the buttermilk, and then you'll add that red gel color. You want to start off kind of in small increments with the red gel, just because if you go too far, then, there's no coming back. So I like to start off small. I honestly could have added a little bit more, but I was okay with the color, so no big deal. And I'm going to leave all the exact measurements in the description box for you guys, but then you'll combine all of the dry ingredients in a separate bowl, and then you're just going to kind of gradually add that in here, mix it all up until everything is well combined. And if I haven't said already, make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So my intention was to get this video out before Valentine's Day, but that clearly didn't happen, but that's okay because these red velvet cupcakes are perfect for any time. So I just lined the, cupcake pan with these little liners, and then you're gonna fill them up, and then you're gonna bake them in the oven for 14 to 16 minutes. Okay, so let's get started on the frosting while the cupcakes are in the oven. Okay, so you wanna take 1 stick of butter softened, and you're gonna beat it for like 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how soft, I guess, your butter is to begin with, until it's light and fluffy. Then you'll add your 8 ounces of cream cheese. You want to beat that with the butter until that is light and fluffy around the same time. And then you're going to add your powdered sugar. After that, you'll alternate, between the vanilla extract, the heavy cream, and then, of course, my special ingredients, which is coffee creamer. I love adding coffee creamer to my frostings. I do it almost every time just because you can get a different, kind of flavor with it depending on what kind of coffee creamer you add. I just want to show you the consistency of how thick it is, because you want it to be thick so that you can pipe it on your cupcakes. Cut into it. If I wasn't recording, then you know I would not use a fork, but I don't want it to be too messy. So so good. You know, the top of the, I was gonna say muffin, the top of the cupcake has a really nice little crunch to it. Not hard at all, just a little bit crispy. And the inside is super soft and moist. I know some of y'all hate that word, but that's what it is. You know, let's just call it what it is. It's super good, very delicious. Make sure you make this recipe and then tag me over on Instagram at Just a Little Cake. And that's all I got for today. So I will see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye.